Let me ask you a question. If St. Peter were alive today and he was born in Igbo land, do you think he would stop being Igbo because he is a Christian? Hold that thought. A few seconds ago, I saw a video, a Catholic priest ordained somewhere in Europe, standing before the altar of God, wearing a cassock made of isiago, not as a costume, not as drama, but as his identity. And it shook me because somewhere along the line, we told ourselves a lie that to follow Christ, we must abandon who we are. That to be holy, we must become foreign. Today, we are going to talk honestly about history, using history, theology, and scholarship about Christianity, Igbo culture, and why God was never offended by Isiago. Stay with me on this video.